Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to disable Microsoft Teams add-ins in Outlook. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once the application launches, make sure you log into your account so all your emails load properly. This is an important first step because you need full access to Outlook's settings and configurations to manage your add-ins. Give it a moment to fully load your inbox and all the interface elements before moving forward. Once your email has loaded and everything is visible on screen, you're ready to start the process of disabling the Microsoft Teams add-in. To do this, navigate to the File menu, which is located at the top part of your screen where all your main tools and menus are displayed. You'll find the File tab sitting alongside other options like Home, Send and Receive, and View. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open up its menu. After clicking on File, a new menu will appear on your screen with various options related to account settings, information, and general Outlook configurations. Now look toward the bottom part of this File menu. You'll see an option labeled Options. This is where you can access the deeper settings of Outlook, including add-in management, display preferences, and email rules. Click on Options, and a new window called Outlook Options will pop up on your screen. Inside the Outlook Options window, take a look at the left side panel. This panel contains several tabs that control different aspects of Outlook's behavior. Among these tabs, you'll see one labeled Add-ins. Click on it to access the section where all your currently installed and active add-ins are managed. This is the hub where you can enable, disable, or remove any add-ins that integrate with Outlook, including the Microsoft Teams add-in. Once you're in the Add-ins tab, scroll down to the bottom of the window. You'll notice a section labeled Manage with a drop-down menu next to it. Click on the drop-down and make sure COM add-ins is selected, then click the Go button right next to it. This action will open a smaller window that displays a complete list of all the add-ins currently installed and running in your Microsoft Outlook application. Now, in this list, look for the entry labeled Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office or something similar depending on your version. You'll see a checkbox next to it. If the checkbox is checked, that means the add-in is currently active. To disable it, simply click on the checkbox to remove the checkmark. This will turn off the Microsoft Teams integration within Outlook, preventing it from appearing in your email interface or during meeting scheduling. After you've unchecked the Microsoft Teams add-in, click the OK button at the bottom of the add-ins window to save your changes. Then click OK again in the main Outlook options window to close it completely. Your changes will now be applied and the Microsoft Teams add-in will no longer be active in Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Microsoft Teams add-in in Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.